The latest update on the Egypt-hosted Gaza peace talks as of 10th October 2025 is that Israel and Hamas have signed and Israel's cabinet has approved the first phase of a ceasefire agreement based on President Donald Trump's 20-point peace plan. This initial phase involves a ceasefire that went into effect within 24 hours following Israel's cabinet ratification. Israel has begun withdrawing forces to a designated line inside Gaza, controlling about 53% of the territory after withdrawal. Hamas has begun releasing surviving Israeli hostages, around 20 still alive. With a 72-hour window to complete this, Israel is set to release approximately 250 Palestinian prisoners serving life sentences and 1,700 detainees from Gaza, including women and children. Humanitarian aid, including hundreds of trucks with food, medical supplies, and other assistance, is starting to be allowed into Gaza. An international stabilization force, composed of U.S. military-led multinational troops including from Egypt, Qatar, Turkey, and the UAE, will oversee the ceasefire monitoring and train Palestinian police. The plan includes Gaza being governed initially by a committee of Palestinian technocrats and international experts under the oversight of an international transitional organization called the Board of Peace. Led by Trump. Palestinians in Gaza are permitted to stay or leave freely, with encouragement to rebuild a better Gaza. Disarmament of Hamas and allied groups over time with surrender of weapons under independent monitoring. Israeli forces will maintain a security presence along Gaza's borders and will not occupy or annex Gaza. Despite the ceasefire agreement and troop withdrawals, some Israeli airstrikes continued in parts of Gaza. The humanitarian situation remains challenging, and there are ongoing disagreements on further implementation and the future governance of Gaza. President Trump is expected to visit the region for an official signing ceremony and further diplomatic efforts. This development marks a major step toward ending the nearly 2-year conflict, with hopes for expanded peace and reconstruction in subsequent phases.